welcome to Home and Hobbies. Today we are going to be making an art shelf. I'm going to show you what we need, then we'll get started. First off, you'll need two 1x3s. Next, you'll need a 1x2, some wood glue, some clamps, a nail gun, a sander, some stain, and some screws. First, what we'll want to do is use our wood glue and our clamps, and we're going to shape our shelf. What you'll do here is use your 1x2 and make that your trim piece. So that's going to be the external piece facing away from your wall. Next, what you'll need are your two 1x3s. One is going to be your base layer, while the other is going to be your backboard. So once you have your pieces all lined up, you have your backboard, your baseboard, and your trim. We're going to glue our boards together, and then we're going to clamp them, let them dry, and then we'll come back and continue from there. Use your clamps and bring your boards together. And now we wait. Some wood filler to cover the finishing nails. Now that we got it all sanded down and you can barely see where the finishing nails went in, we're going to screw in the back piece to give it a little extra support. Are about 15 inches apart. That gives the boards just a little extra support in addition to the glue. I am all set up to stain the shelf. The wood stain I'm going to use today is called Early American, and we'll see how this looks. So I'm all finished with staining. I really like how this turned out. I really like how it brings out a lot of the natural grains. It's not a very dark stain, which is what I normally gravitate towards, but I just really like how this has a natural look. I used an old t-shirt that I just cut up into a rag. The nice thing about these is you can just throw it away once you're done. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry out here for a little while, and then once it's all dry, I think it's time to put it on the wall.